Okay, students, we would be just revising on mean, median, mode. So I have just placed mean, median, and mode on the single sheet, as well as I have just also placed the the type of data, that is the raw data, the ungrouped frequency data, and the group frequency data example for you people. So if we have to find out the mean, what you have a numbers in raw data, you have been given certain numbers. Now you want to find out the mean, what do? You just total this number up. The total of these numbers is 44, and what is mean? 44 divided by the count, that is 44 divided by 5 is the mean. Okay, 44 is not the sum. In fact, over here there is an error. So let's find out the sum of these numbers. Okay, this is what it is. So now the sum of the numbers is 220, and we are just going to say 220 divided by the count, that is 5. So this is what is the mean. Ungrouped frequency distribution, what is given to you? Xi values are given and Fi values are given to you. So Xi means the particular number, and Fi is the frequency, means that how many times that particular number has been repeated. So 1 is repeated 24 times, 2 is repeated 6 times. This is how it is. What you have to find out is the value of n. What is n? The total of the frequency. जिसको आपने टोटल किया है 50 मिला है यहाँ आपको. Then what is the next step is find out Xi Fi, means 24 multiplied by 1, 16 multiplied by 2, okay, and the values that you are getting is 24, 32 and 30. To find out the mean on the numerator, you need the sum of Fi Xi. So you are just summing this up as 86 and dividing it by n, that is 50. So 86 divided by 50, you are getting the mean, that is 1.72. This is how you find the mean for ungrouped frequency table. Now if a group frequency data is given to you, means what is given? Classes are given to you, and how many times this particular number is occurring, how many numbers are there from 0 to 10 is what is told by the frequency. तो आपको classes बताई रखी होंगी और frequency बता रखी है. मतलब 0 से लेकर 10 के बीच में कितने numbers हैं? 12 numbers हैं. 10 से लेकर 20 के बीच में कितने numbers हैं? 18 numbers हैं. इस तरह से. तो आप शुरुआत कैसे करेंगे? First you have to find that the class is continuous or not. If it is not continuous, you have to find the class boundaries. Here it is continuous. 10 is the higher limit here. 10 is the lower limit of the next class. So over here you can see it is continuous. Classes are continuous. So you don't have to find the class boundaries. Now the lower limit I have listed down, the higher limit I have listed down. How do you find out the class mark? This is the class mark. Both the numbers have to be added, divided by 2, you get 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, you get 15. So this is how you find the class mark. अब वही procedure follow करना है जो कि यहाँ follow हो रहा था. Means अब Fi Xi का value find कर रहे हैं, n का value find कर रहे हैं, it is total of the frequency, and mean is 50 divided by, sorry over here, mean is equal to 2800 divided by 100, okay, that becomes 28. So this is how you find the mean for the group frequency table. Then you have the median. Let's go and see the median for the raw data. For raw data, to find the median, you have to find out whether the numbers are even in number or odd in number. First of all, you have to order them up. All these numbers are given to me, I have ordered them up. Suppose only 5 numbers are given till over here. 5 is odd. So 5 divided by 2, what do you get? 5 divided by 2 is, okay, if I do 5 divided by 2, what do I get? 2.5. So we'll have, this is the position, na? Midpoint. This is the position. So 2.5, तो 2.5 पर तो कोई number नहीं है, तो we'll take it the higher number, that is third. Third position पर जो number है वो आपका वो बन जाता है median. वो median बन जाता है. अगर सपोज कीजिए कि 6 नंबर्स हैं, मतलब इवन नंबर्स हैं. अगर इवन नंबर्स हैं आपके पास, तो अगर हम 6 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 3. ठीक है. तो अभी इवन नंबर्स है, मतलब 2 नंबर्स एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं सेंटर में, तो 50 और 60 दोनों को लेंगे हम और उसकी एवरेज फाइंड करेंगे. तो ओवर हियर व्हाट आई हैव डन इज 50 plus 60 divided by 2. I have done. That is how you find the median. Then ungrouped frequency distribution, what you do is find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is 5 as it is ले लिया, 5 plus 50 is 55, 55 plus 40 is 95. This last number should be equal to the value of n, that is the total of frequency. Just find out n by 2 value. Cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2. Cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2 is what? 55, right? The corresponding number is the median. The corresponding number is the median. Now, in case of group frequency distribution table, what you do is you have to apply this particular formula. So, definitely you have to find the value of xi the way class mark जैसे find किया था वैसे करेंगे आप find. Cumulative frequency find करेंगे, n find करेंगे, n by 2 का value find करेंगे. Okay, okay. The value of n is 100. The value of n by 2 is 100 divided by 2 is 50. Cumulative frequency just greater than 50. Cumulative frequency just greater than 50 is this one, है ना, 57. So this is the median class. This class is the median class. So now over here in this formula, L is 20, the lower limit of the median class. What is H? H is the size of the median class, that is 30 minus 20, H. What is F? F is the frequency of the median class. The frequency कौन सा है? 27 है ना? Then, and what is C? C is all the frequencies above the median class. You have to add up 18 plus 20. This is how you find out the frequency, the value of C. Next is mode. For the mode, it is very easy. The number that is repeated the most of the time, सबसे ज़्यादा repeat किया हुआ number mode होता है. So 30 is the number that is repeated most of the time. In this, it is very easy. 1 is repeated 5 times, 2 is repeated 50 times. Which number is repeated the most time? 2. So the mode is 2. Okay. And if it is a group frequency distribution table, again you have to find out the xi value, the fi value, find the value of n, that is the total of the frequency. Now, what is the modal class over here? Modal class वो है जिसकी frequency सबसे ज़्यादा है. 27 is maximum, so the modal class is 20, 30. Okay. So the lower limit is 20, so over here 20 would come. F1 is the frequency of the modal class, 27. F0 is frequency of the above class, that is 18, and F2 is the frequency of the succeeding class, that is 20 over here. So place it over here. H is the size of the class and you will get the mode. So I have repeated the central tendency for you. Hope it was helpful.